How to get the latest Windscribe coupon code. First of all, let's open any web browser that you use for searching, and in the search bar type latest Windscribe coupon code and hit enter from the keyboard. Once you get the search results, explore the websites to find the latest offers and deals and click on the URL to open it on the screen. Once the website is open, find a suitable deal or offer, and to get the coupon code, tap on show code. It will open a new pop-up on the screen where you will find the coupon code. Simply click on the copy button and then click on shop to go to the Windscribe official website page. Once the website is open, click on get Windscribe now to go to the pricing plans. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will find have a coupon code. Simply click on it to apply. A promo code bar will appear where you need to paste the copied code and click on submit. Next, you need to create an account, and when you proceed to check out, you will get a 50% discount on the selected plan. And that's it. This is how you can get the latest Windscribe coupon code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.